each of these cells, if you remember, each of these cells are really contiguous. So for example, the 40 to 44 really means everybody between 40 and 44 and 365, or 365 minus epsilon years. So there's really 1 day difference between this one and this one, where this cell ends and where this one begins. And you should, since it's contiguous like this, you should put them closer together and there should be no space between the bars. Well, when you do that, you come up with what is called a histogram. So here's a histogram of the diastolic blood pressure at visit 1 for our Framingham heart study. So we get an idea of how these data are distributed. There's a little bit down here. There's the mass of the data is sort of in there, but then there's quite a bit of stuff going on down here. Now, I just pressed the default buttons in Stata, and they chose the number of bins. We could have chosen fewer bins. For example, had we chosen 12 bins, we get a slightly different picture. And this is one of the problems with a histogram. When you're reading in the literature and you get shown a histogram, how many cells were chosen, how wide these cells are, impacts on the kind of picture that one would get and that one would go away with.